I'm always looking, to learn in some aspect. I don't think there's a single day you can come to Edge and not think you're going to learn.
Who wasn't a Lego kid, Who doesn't want to know how things work?
Here at Edge, it's nice because you get to kind of challenge yourself. You kind of get to be involved in really unique projects.
It's really continued to grow my skill in adaptation.
I'd say the best things about working here is definitely the flexibility and just the room for improvement to grow and to new things that you've never really done before.
Working here at Edge has provided, I guess, a level of excitement.
I want to ensure that everything that we do is value added.
And it's nice to kind of challenge yourself and gain a lot of knowledge in different areas.
People would have no idea beyond our walls the capabilities that Edge has.
I feel like we consistently are learning and creating and developing newer and better things.
So my name is Steve Gregus.
My name is Corey Ambrose.
My name is Brian Neufeld.
My name is Sherry Johnstone.
My name is Mark Mihalik.
Here at Edge, I'm a project manager.
I'm a mechanical designer.
Operations assistant.
I'm an electrician at Edge Automation.